Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore the presentation options for your Google Forms. So if you click on the Settings tab, the third option down, Presentation, will allow you to manage how the form and the responses are presented to the user. So if you click on the little arrow and you see these options, you can turn on a progress bar if your form is long and there's a lot of questions and you don't want your users to feel like there's just a huge form in front of them and they don't really understand how far they are into the form. The progress bar will allow them to get a sense for how close they are to being finished. If the order of the questions doesn't matter, you can shuffle the question order. When the user submits their responses, they do get a confirmation message. You can edit this confirmation message so that you can personalize it. Thank you for visiting our website and filling out our form. Anything really that you want it to say. There is a default confirmation message, but you can change that by clicking on Edit. Do you want the user to see a link that will allow them to submit another response? This is currently toggled on, but one thing you have to understand is if under the response settings you have it set to limit to one response, you will not be able to show users a link to submit another response. That will be disabled if you limit it to one response. If you're not concerned about users sending in more than one response, show them the link. Do you want your responders to be able to see the summary of the results for this form? If so, you can toggle that on. If not, you can toggle that off. And Google Forms can autosave for respondents. If you'd want them to be able to autosave, you want to make sure this is turned off. This is to disable autosave. But if you don't want users to be able to autosave their responses, then simply toggle this on. All right, so if something happens to them, they lose all of their answers. I would turn that off, but that's just me. But the way that users will see your form is under your control. You have a number of options that you can use to make your form present in just the right way and present yourselves in just the right way.